Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to use alternative frequency feature on the following car. Let's begin. So, at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Here all you need to do is find and select the settings icon, this icon right here. From the list of settings, you need to use the left tab and from the left tab select the note icon to open the music settings. Here let's select the second option, which is radio settings. As you can see, let's here find out the alternative frequency AF. And let's enable this feature just by using this toggle. So this is essential for long distance traveling. As you drive away from a radio station's transmitter, the signal gets weak. If the alternate frequency is on, the car's tuner automatically scans for a stronger frequency that is playing the same station. It switches seamlessly so you can keep listening to the same program without manual retuning. So it could be quite useful, especially as I said on long trip, so let me leave it enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.